Hello guys, as you may know, DeepSeek has released a new DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview AI model that has reasoning power. It has scored O1 preview level performance on AIME and math benchmarks. As you can see, it is at O1 preview level in many benchmarks. So, in this video, we will use and test R1 Lite Preview in reasoning and coding sectors. We will also test it against Claude 3.5 Sonnet in coding. To use it, go to chat.deepseek.com. Log in here. Or sign up here. You can use R1 Lite Preview here. So, let's start. Reasoning test. We will use these questions from this site to test the model. Question 1. Let's copy it. Wait for the answer. The answer is his son's. Let's check it. It is correct. Question 2. Let's copy it. Wait for the answer. The answer is cousin. Let's check it. The real answer is sister, so cousin is also correct. Question 3. Let's copy it. Wait for the answer. The answer is mother-in-law. Let's check it. It is correct. Question 4. Let's copy it. Wait for the answer. The answer is L12 and 14. Let's check it. It is correct. Question 5. Strawberry test. Asking how many RS are in strawberry. Wait for the answer. The answer is 3, which is correct. It has passed the reasoning test. Coding test. This is an expert-level Python coding test between the new DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. We will evaluate the coding proficiency of the new DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview and Claude 3.5 Sonnet by asking 3 expert-level questions. We will give 1 point per level passed to each AI chatbot. We will give 1 opportunity per AI to fix a bug if encountered. We will share scores and detailed feedback. So, let's start. Let's select expert-level Python questions here. Let's try this question. Copy the question and paste it into DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview first. Wait now. Here is the answer. Let's check it. It's a pass. 1 point to DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview. Now, let's present the same question to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let it write an answer. Let's check it. It's a pass. 1 point to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let's try the second question. Copy the question and paste it into Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Here is the answer. Let's check it. It is a pass. So, 1 point to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now, let's try the same question with DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview. Let it write an answer. Let's check it. It is getting an error. Let's copy the error to DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview. Let's check the fix. It is still a fail. Let's try one more time. Let's copy the error to DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview. Let's check the fix. It is a pass. So, 1 point to DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview as well. Let's try the third question. Let's try the question with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let it write an answer. Let's check it. It is getting an error. Let's copy the error to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let's check the fix. It is still a fail. Let's try one more time. Let's copy the error to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let's check the fix. It is a pass. So, 1 point to Claude 3.5 Sonnet as well. Copy the question and paste it into DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview. It is refusing to answer. Let's try to change the prompt and try. Still refusing. So, it is a fail. 0 points to DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview. So, these are the final scores, with Claude 3.5 Sonnet as the winner. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is clearly better than R1 Lite Preview in coding tasks. R1 Lite Preview is also good but refuses complex coding tasks. Whereas, R1 Lite Preview is great in reasoning tasks. That's all. Thanks for watching.